Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to give you a quick update on our Samsung four-door bespoke refrigerator with the family hub. We had and ran into a problem, and I want to just show you what had to happen for it to be fixed. And so the issue we had was when inside the fridge here, there's obviously a drawer in here. I took the drawer out to show you the problem, but you can see that, open this one up too, that this area right here was getting wet. And all of a sudden we noticed that we had a puddle on the floor and there was just water in here and it froze because that freezer's right below it. So it froze. There was a solid sheet of ice here and it was really just kind of a mess. And it went all the way across. And I thought, oh no, our water filter's leaking. But it really wasn't that. It was this hose in the very back on the right-hand side. There's two hoses. The one on the right popped out just enough that it was leaking from that hose. So in order to fix that, you're not going to be able to push it in with your hands. You have to get a pliers or something like that to grip it enough to push it back down in there. I don't know why it came out, but we were at 11 months and we ran into this problem and had to have it fixed. Good thing it was under warranty. Guy came, did it for us or whatever. Then had to get all the mess taken care of. So once that hose got pushed back in, the nice thing is we noticed that our ice quantity went up. So clearly we were leaking water in the top part of the fridge, and so it wasn't filling our ice tray all the way, and our ice quantity went down. So if you notice that you have water on the base of the thing, try doing it yourself first. You can easily do this. Just grab a pliers. The one on the right is the one that leaked for us, but I would probably check both. And just push it down a little bit tighter in there and see if that fixes your issue. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have had to have a guy come out to do it, but it was under warranty anyway. So I would try it yourself first. If it doesn't work, call that Samsung repair guy and he'll come out and do it for you. 11 months, that's the only issue we really ran into besides the other one that I showed you guys, which was the top screen thing. So if you have that screen issue where your screen doesn't light back up or for whatever reason, pull this out. There's a red button there, flip it off, wait 10, 15 seconds, flip it back on, and your screen goes back on. Those are the only two issues that we've had so far with our Samsung Bespoke four-door flex fridge with the hub. So that's it. So subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. Super thanks, always welcome, and we'll see you next time.